Hey, if you are still selling on Amazon and you are missing a massive opportunity, yes, TikTok Shop. So TikTok Shop is where products go viral, and now with the Helium 10 you can migrate your listings in minutes and reach a whole new wave of buyers. So today in this video I am showing you the exact step-by-step processes to link your account, move your listings, and even fulfill orders from Amazon FBA. So let's dive in. So step number one is in Helium 10, click your profile icon, then connections, add another seller account. So select TikTok, North America, and initiate in Seller Central. So follow the prompts you authorize. Make sure you are already logged into TikTok Seller Center in another tab. So this steps gives Helium 10 the green light to sync with your TikTok shop account. You will only do this once. So next step is go to the tools, listing converter, and select fulfillment type, FBA, FBM, answer compliance questions, choose auto submit or do manual review. So click products here and click bulk convert. So Helium 10 auto optimize title, bullet points, and image for TikTok format. So show review conversion status tab here. So this is where hours of listing optimization are compressed into seconds, and Helium 10 reformats your listing to match TikTok's algorithm and layout. So next step is go to the marketing, influencer finder, and switch to TikTok. So filter by niche, followers, engagement, and GMV. So select influencers and bulk invite. Set commission to 10 to 15% and offer samples, use AI messaging. So track campaign replies inside the dashboard. So no more guessing. These tools help you find creators who have actually sold products. It's like matching your product to the right hype machine. So the next step is go to the connections, manage product mapping, link TikTok listing to matching Amazon FBA SKUs. Set safety stock, for example, reserve 100 units for Amazon. So choose expedited shipping and turn on the orders and inventory sync. So in TikTok Seller Center, set shipping setting to the seller shipping. So this part is key. You will ship TikTok orders from the same FBA inventory without lifting a finger. So the last step is go to the operations, inventory management, then order status. So monitor new processing or completed orders. So resubmit failed orders to MCF if needed, and check tracking and delivery updates. So you will get full visibility, so you know what's shipping, what failed, and how your FBA inventory is being used for TikTok. So now you are not just an Amazon seller, you are a multi-channel seller plugged into TikTok's viral machine and shipping directly from FBA. And to make it even easier, I have added my exclusive link below with the Helium 10 discount for you. You will get access to the TikTok shop tools and diamond plan and save your money doing it. Stay connected.